Today is the day, guys. You guys asked for it. It's time. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. All right. How's it going, guys? Chris here on TheSupercarSuspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is the big day. Today, we get to open up this bad boy. I ordered these about 3 weeks ago. They had to get custom made, so all those comments I've been seeing, Chris, lower your monster truck. I'ma lower it. Okay, guys, check out this fitment before I can literally put my...
Just go swim in it.
I can swim in it. Remember, #1 rule, always cut towards yourself. Just in case you miss, you cut yourself. If you guys haven't noticed by now, we went with the Fortune Auto 500 series coilovers. And it came with all the tools. Huge shout out to Fortune Auto. This is pretty much what the unboxing looks like. I haven't opened this yet, so I don't even know what they look like, but I'm pretty sure the color is green. Okay, we got the boxes all opened up. Open this bad boy up. And here they are. Ooh, baby, it is green. So we're just gonna open up one as of right now to see what it looks like. Ooh, baby. Check this out, check it out. Wait. Cue the song. Oh my God. All right, so we got some friends coming through right now. My buddy with the nitrous Kia is about to pull through. He's bringing all his tools, torque wrench, breaker bar. He has all that good stuff. I got this stuff ready. This is gonna make our job way easier. And we got some air tools ready, so this should be pretty quick, 3-4 hour job.
Whoa, look at them tricep gains, bro. Ooh. Damn, look at that fitment, bro. It got better.
Holy crap. This is our logic right now, okay? Because it's nice and cool garage, getting some airflow in here. No, we're gonna do it outside in the 85-degree sun. Why? Why are we doing this outside?
I think you're gonna jump in the...
Hey, who the f are you? Take the damn wheel off.
There you go.
Oh, they're working on the car? What? One of them I don't do. Okay. Useless. Absolutely useless. To hold something from down there? Yeah?
That's what she said.
Look at this old garbage. So these are the old springs the previous owner put in. I thought I was on stock suspension until about a week ago when we put my exhaust in. We realized I have springs on and it sits higher than stock suspension. So this garbage, you gotta go. Sorry, buddy.
So Chris can have a better fitment than that. Psych. Like,
Should I just got bags?
No, I'm kidding. Hell no. So if you guys have an EVO X and you guys want to install your suspension, it's pretty damn simple. We got two big bolts over here. Take those off, get the sensors off, and we got a few more bolts underneath here. You pull this forward, take the top 3 bolts out, pop the coils out, pop the new ones in, and you are pretty much done. That's honestly the simplest way I can put it. So you got to take your side skirts off, take the side panel off, take the mirrors off. And once the mirrors are off, we can start with the coilover. Alright, we are 45 minutes in from when we first started jacking up the cars and stuff. Pretty good pace. I have a goal of 3 hours. We're gonna see if we can do this in under 3 hours. And apparently the back ones are easier according to my guy over there. So I guess the back ones are gonna be easier. So once we knock these out, we should be chilling. Pretty much finished tightening every single thing up. Look at this fitment now. God damn, this isn't even lowered yet. Once we lower it on the jacks, it's gonna probably drop like a little bit more because you know all the weight in the front. We got the hood vents in. Shout out to Andre for painting them. Check this out. We went with the black. You guys voted yes on my Instagram polls. We went with the black. Clean. It looks much better. God damn. Okay, this car is slowly coming together. Once the rims and tire reveal comes through, it's gonna be very nice.
Yeah, you gotta dress properly, bro. Like
matching my car. Oh, wait, don't move. Bing. Todd, are you gonna do the honors for us? Are you gonna drop it for us, Tade? Yeah. Look at this fitment already. It's not even sitting on the ground.
Drop it down slowly.
Do it. Do it. Okay, so the other side's still in the air. We got the black vents in. Tade, very slowly. The other side's still in there.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop, stop.
You're a fucking idiot! Yeah, just break my side skirt if you want, Tade. Just break my side skirt.
Yeah, always.
Just break my side skirt, Tade. So the car was so low, we couldn't even use this because it was about to rip off the side skirt, so we gotta use the one that comes with the car, the adjustable one. Twist it down, move to the other side, and then we should be done and we can go have some fun. Food vlog?
Yes, sir.
Food vlog.
Talking season?
Tade, where are you at? I think I have better filming than Tade. The other side is still up, so it looks like I'm banged. God damn.
No, that looks exactly how I drive when I drive low. Maybe lower than that.
Okay, I'm cool. I have bags. Look at the camber in the front.
No, wait, go get it from the back. The back.
I gotta drive like this?
Look at it from here.
God.
Let's go to Chris.
Oh.
The best.
Oh my God. I just need some spacers and that's gonna look A1. So we took the engine cover off. No use in this. We're just gonna leave this off for now. And with the hood vents, we showed you guys before. They had these little covers before. We're gonna take this off just to let the engine bay cool down a little bit. More airflow in there. More horsepower, bro. The engine modifications and the rim reveal come in about a week, so I'm gonna have to drive around with these whack OEM wheels, but hey, it's not too bad. We painted them black. The black is actually holding up decently because we didn't plastic dip them around like some people over here.
Well,
Andre, I can't thank you enough, bro.
Anytime.
Shout out to the Trap Cabin. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you for putting the wheels on for me, bro. Look how good this looks. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Tade, are you gonna get some rollers for me right now?
Hell yeah.
Are you gonna get me scraping out of this driveway right now?
We're gonna get the best rollers and your bumper coming off too.
Oh God, I can't go 50 miles an hour over bumps now. Wait, what size turbo?
Big enough.
Big enough, big enough. God.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Ooh, ooh, that's so close.
I got the back.
That's so close. Hey, the back, the back. Ooh.
Jump to the back of the case. Strict when I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my lace. Take a bitch straight down to the goddamn place. Bitch say I leave, hey bitch don't call. Fuck what you say, shit never gon' fall. Check quick that I show with the walk to the stall. Never going back to the place in the fall. Grip walk fast, no snakes in the grass. Swift when I flow, no shit from the past. Talking about the trees and the G's, yes please. Young wild niggas see me in the middle.
I really need to invest in one of these bad boys. Look at this. Oh my God, I need one of these. Tade, I think I need one of these.
Huh?
Off.
Wait, how much does it cost?
Just look at this. Guys, just... Oh my God. Even though it looks very, very sick like this, when my rims come in about a week or two, I'm definitely gonna raise this up a little bit. I'm not into like that whole stance look. Like the rear end, it looks very sick, but that might be just a little bit too low for me. I'm turning it to Tade right now.
This needs to stop now!